Can you show us your travel kit for flint knapping?
Yeah. Typically keep my basics. Some sort of leg pad. There's a flake catch, a couple different hand pads, good abrader, a couple different pressure flakers, 2 billets, 3, 4 hammer stones, just a small little bag of flakes. Pretty simple. And then last but not least is the overall bag. So I do have my little catch hide right here that goes in between my legs, but my bag is what I can actually nap into. So let's nap a quick tool. Let's use this flake. When everything is said and done, you get a nice little finger tool, finger blade, fits snugly in the hand, great for butchering. This is a quick tool that you can build with your travel napping kit. I like it. Not bad. We'll get the job done. That is my primitive on-the-go travel napping kit. Thanks for watching.